Hey, how you doing? Dennis here, and today we're going to check out auto layout and animating avatars. Let's get started. Starting with our three pups here, we have Frank, Oliver, and Huey. Select all. Add auto layout. Let's call them pups. We have several options here. First, we can set the space between to auto. This evenly distributes the space between the avatars at any size. You can set the order of your avatars. You can also set your container to hug contents and plug a number in, even if that's a negative number. Let's draw a frame. Let's make it black. And let's duplicate that frame. Now let's set the space between to -100. Switch to prototype. And let's connect our avatars to our duplicate frame. Select while hovering, Smart Animate. Let's check it out. If I want to use this in multiple places, I would make it a component. Let's change pups to default, duplicate, change this one to hover, modify our space between, select all, make it a component set, let's call this pups. Switch to prototype, connect our avatars, select while hovering, draw a test frame, let's color it black, and place an instance of our component. Now we can use this component anywhere multiple times. Starting over with our furry friends here, select all, distribute horizontal spacing, set the space between to -20. Select Oliver, bring him to front. Select all, wrap all of them in a frame. Frank is constrained to the left by default. Constrain Oliver to the center. Constrain Huey to the right. We can resize the frame similar to how we did with auto layout. Draw a frame. Color it black. Center your avatars in that frame. Duplicate. Resize your avatars in frame 1 and recenter them. Switch to prototype. Connect your avatars to frame 2. Select while hovering and Smart Animate. Let's make a component. Rename this default. Duplicate. Increase its width. Call it hover. Select all. Create a component set. Switch to prototype. Connect default to hover while hovering. Draw a test frame. Give it a black fill. Place an instance of our component in the frame. That's not right. I wanted the component to animate from the center. Select the default, open it up in the layers, select Oliver, Huey, and Frank, and wrap them in a frame. Expand hover, and do the same thing. Select default, set it to the same width as hover, move the pups layer to the center of the default frame. Move our component back to the center of our test frame. And now with both variants the same width, it animates from the center. And that wraps it up. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you for more lessons real soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.